we are going to use the 1mm wire to making the design. Yeah. Okay, so here we go to use it. Let's try this one. And let's go. Let's fold it. Go to make a ring. I think this ring we have a long time not make. Here. Here. Fold it here. This. Okay. Okay. It's here. Hello, Chase Shaker. Happy to see you. Then I'm used 0.4mm. Cut. This is a ring that we make it before, and it's easy making. Let me use the beads green cube shape. Here. This way. Let's wrap 1, 2, 3. Here. Put the beads on. It's going to make a ring very easy. If you are a new starter, I'm sure you can make. Here, put the beads, then the wire, wrap it here. Here. This one, put the beads, wrap it here. Here. Go through. Cube is the 2mm, I think. 2mm cube. The size is similar like the round beads 3mm. Round beads 3mm, similar size. But it's 2mm cube beads. Okay, thank you, Southern Crab. Okay. Tight. And tight. Okay, so this is the way here. Then we can use this one here. We can use this one to fold it. Here, fold it. And this another wire. fold it here. This is the way. Okay, I made one of your bracelet, doesn't I changed it a little bit. It's absolutely gorgeous. That's so good. Maybe you can show us some picture. Yeah, looking forward to see your picture. Here. This and this one. Okay. Here, fold it. And this side, the seam. Okay, here. Okay, so this is the ring. Finished. Yeah. Okay, let me check. Let me check the email.